This hair wax is a very common one, and I know that most of us have used it, and we have one complaint, and that is because this product, we all know that it always forms this white cast on your hair. I'm here to just give you a trick on how to use this product effectively and like no white cast, especially if you keep natural hair. You know how difficult it is to actually get a gel that works for your hair, but I know that this product actually really works. This hair wax, it comes in different colors. The very first ones are colorless, and they are always giving this white cast. Even this one still does. One thing that you can do when you finish using this product on your hair is to use oil sheen on your hair. I'm telling you, whenever you do this, you'll come back to this video and thank me. Especially just use oil sheen. Even if you buy the white one and you notice that just immediately you finish spraying your hair, use oil sheen. And also, if you have like a sprit or any spray gel, you can add to it, but if not, use oil sheen. My name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel I talk about everything beauty, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every long form video, and you guys, here is the verse of today. I will make sure I see you in my next one. Bye bye.